Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can open bank account in Oman. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, it's a very easy method, and there are some steps that you have to know. Is you can do it by visiting any particular bank's website directly to sign up online, right? And also you can also go ahead, go find a nearby branch or nearby banks itself, local bank, so you can go there. Once you go there, you have to make sure that you have your verification for like your citizenship paper document, that you have something on you. Once you have that, you can go to the bank and you can ask the staff for them to fill out the form to create and make an account. Otherwise, when you go a website on some bank, you can directly go ahead contact them by the information provided online as well. Once you go to the information, they will also let you know how you can apply to them, or you can directly go to create account section. But I will personally suggest you to go nearby branch physically, so you can open your own account and get the accountability for it, and you can also download apps afterwards to manage at home. So that is the way you will be able to open an account in Oman. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.